Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today, I know the lighting's great, I know how good I look in this lighting. It's like when you try on clothes at a store and no lighting in a dressing room has ever made you look good, ever. It emphasizes every fold and wrinkle in your body. Why, oh why, oh why. Anyway, today we're going to declutter my closet. I have some new fall clothing pieces I want to show you guys that I just bought, and then I'm going to kind of go through, pull out some clothes. I might do it elsewhere because the lighting's terrible, but other than that, I'm excited to kind of purge a little bit. Why? I'm like, stand up, Jess. You guys like my shirt, by the way. So we are going to declutter my closet today. I just shut the door, so if the sound changed, I've got dogs barking. This is my life right now. I'm a new mom, and it is crazy. I have some new pieces coming in, so I always like to get rid of some old pieces, and I just feel like I need to get rid of some stuff. I feel a little overwhelmed by my closet right now. I do this pretty much every season, so let's go ahead and get into it. So today's video is sponsored by ThredUP. I've worked with ThredUP. I can't even count on one hand. I've worked with them for so long. I love this company. It's a website I like to get clothes from because they're secondhand clothes, which I think is really good for the environment. And it's just smart shopping. It's so much more budget friendly. And like I said, I'm a new mom, so trying to be really conscious of where my money is going and how I'm spending it. I love to get new clothes, especially each season. It's especially fall, the best season in the whole wide world. I don't care what you say. And this helps me kind of make sure that I'm not spending too much money on anything. And what I love about ThredUP is you get on the website, and instead of going to like an actual thrift store where you have to sift through like every size ever to find those gems, with this, I feel like there's just way more good clothing on there, but also you can sort it by size. You can sort it by the brand you might be into or the type of clothing. It is so customizable as you search, so it's really quick and easy to find the pieces that you're actually looking for. So as I show these, I'll try to try them on, and I'll also try to show you what the original retail price was and then what I actually paid for it on ThredUP. So first thing I picked out was this J. Crew cardigan. Is this mustardy color not the prettiest, most fall thing you've ever seen? I thought the detailing of the cute little buttons were adorable as well. And I just love this color. And it's actually like softer, kind of feels like cashmere. I was going to say feels like cashmere. This one was from this brand Pink Rose. And it's just this kind of almost tunic length top that I thought was really pretty. I love this color of rose. And I love the little peekaboo cutout in the back. I feel like so many shirts these days have that, and it's so, so cute. And since leggings is like my favorite thing to wear right now after having a baby, this is probably going to be a top I wear a ton. Oh my gosh. Okay, speaking of fall, oh my gosh. This is from this brand, Eloge. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but look at this plaid cardigan. And look at these really cute elbow patches. I literally saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, yes, yes. It's so cute. I love the plaid. I can't talk today, you guys. But I just think it's one of those things that I could pair with, you know, like any top underneath, like a plain colored top, and then boots and jeans, and it is like the perfect outfit to go pumpkin picking in. Next top, this was just a cute dressier top. It's kind of like a looser peplum top, but I don't think it's meant to actually cinch all the way in because it's still a size small. But I just thought it was such a pretty detail, and I loved the lace with it when they mix that kind of media there. And it's just a polyester top with the ruffle, and I thought that it was so cute, and I especially loved the tie in the back. Okay, I needed a new pair of jeans, and American Eagle is one of my favorite brands for jeans. They seem to fit really well. And again, postpartum, my shape is changing weekly, seemingly. Sometimes for the better, sometimes not. So this, I just kind of guessed on the size. So I'm hoping they fit, but I love it's just kind of a standard jean, straight leg, kind of skinny, but it doesn't come in like severely, which I think will just be a little bit more comfortable for me. And again, none of these seem worn. I feel like every time I pick anything out on there, it's all like in perfect condition. I also got this belt to cinch around the waist because I feel like I have some tops that I wore when I was first pregnant that are a little loose on me. They're not maternity tops, but I thought they'd look really cute with a belt around the natural waist, and I thought this was a really pretty one. Next thing for fall is this sweater, and it's from the brand Vintage Havana. Havana, ooh, na, na. And it kind of flows out. Again, I thought this would be really pretty with leggings, most importantly. And I love that it was long sleeve. It's really, really soft, and it looks like it's in perfect condition as well. And then two more tops. So this one's from Vineyard Vines. I just love comfy sweatshirts. And this one literally it looks brand new. It literally looks brand new. I don't think this has ever been worn.
And again, you save a ton of money even when you're buying brands like this, but I just fell in love with this color. I love the blue and the kind of salmon together, and it just looks so cozy, like sitting around a bonfire. And then the last top I picked out was, actually the brand is not on here, but I loved, it was so silky, and I just loved the pattern on it. I thought it was so cute. It reminded me of like Burberry, but you know, way cheaper. And again, I thought it would look cute with leggings. Clearly that's like my MO right now.
So if you are interested in ThredUP, they did offer a 30% off code. The code is JamBeauty30 for 30% off your first order. Thank you, ThredUP, for sponsoring this video. I love working with them. I think we've already planned to work together again on around the holidays. So stay tuned for that if you like these kind of decluttering videos with a little bit of a haul involved. I'm so excited about these pieces. They're just getting me in the mood for fall now that it's October. I mean, I was already in the mood for fall. But anyway, all right. Let's declutter my clothes. What do I want to get rid of so that I can make room for these new pieces? Also, you should know that this poor box is it's always decorated so cute, but this poor box was in the rain because my FedEx person doesn't ring the doorbell when they drop off my packages. So the video might be long. I don't know. We're going to see, but I'm just going to pull out chunks at a time like I've done in the past. And if you're interested in seeing any of my old decluttering videos, I will certainly link them below, but I don't know how cutthroat I'll be, but I do want to be mindful of where I am. I've lost a lot of the baby weight, but I still have a ways to go. So keeping in mind that some things that might not fit me yet, hopefully will fit me soon. But then there are some things that I'm just, you know, I'm already tired of the style, or I haven't found myself wearing it, etc. So this is a white top I love keeping. So I'll probably quickly go through and then stop if there's anything I'm getting rid of. This, for example, this is a really cute tank from Old Navy, but frankly, I think it's just a little too small for me, and I don't know, even when I was smaller wearing this, it still wasn't quite what I wanted it to be. So that's one that I think I am going to get rid of. This is one that it fits me a little weird up here. The straps never lay the way I want it to, so I think I'm probably going to get rid of that as well. This is one, it's a style that I've just kind of outgrown. I think it's a cute top, but I don't know. There's something about the gold accessories here. It's just not quite what I wear anymore, so I think I'm going to get rid of that as well. This was more of a maternity top, so I think I might fold it and put it with my maternity clothes. I don't think it technically is, but I wore it a lot when I was pregnant, and I think it's just more suited to that, and I don't find myself wanting to wear it right now. These are two tanks that can probably be taken down and folded. This is one that I don't find myself wearing. Okay, this one, if you watch my Amazon Prime wardrobe haul, I recently got it in that. You guys, when I tried it on, I thought, oh, it's pretty good. It ended up being like, I've worn it maybe 4 or 5 times. It's so frumpy on me, and the straps don't stay up, so no matter how much I tighten them. So this is one that I am glad to get rid of. Well, not glad, I'm a little sad. I'm gonna pass this one on. I think I don't really wear it anymore. I have a maybe pile going on right over here, by the way, if you were curious about what that was all about. This is another one I can just fold. This one I love, but it's a little too tight in the chestal region, so I don't know how much, I don't know. I think I'm just going to pass it on. I'm going to pass this one on. It's just too big. Same goes for this. I might keep it for now, but I could see myself eventually getting rid of this. This is a very forgiving top as I'm in between sizes, so I think I'll keep it, but I could see myself getting rid of this soon. This one can go. This one has just... I've traveled with this so much because it's so great with leggings. It's kind of a maybe, but I think I'm going to keep it just because, again, it's so forgiving and comfortable to travel in. I don't know when I was planning on wearing this unitard. This one ended up, now that I have lost a little bit of weight, it's just too big on me, so I'm going to pass that one on too. This one was fun. This is a maybe. I'm going to pass that one on. I like this cream top. And then this is a maternity shirt, so that one's going to get put with my maternity clothing. This one would probably make a better pajama shirt, honestly, because I have not worn it out in ever, Tom. I don't ever wear this. I don't wear that.
I think I was gonna treat this more like a workout shirt. Maternity shirt, maternity shirt. So those can go over there. Don't ever wear that.
Coffee break. With me. Woo! Okay, Danny, if you're watching, I love you so much. I wasn't making fun of you. I really, like, genuinely. When you stopped doing that for a while, I was like, so I'm glad you still do it. You're probably not watching, but if you are, love you, girl. Who drinks coffee laying on clothes? I'm going to spill it everywhere.
So now we're on to like dresses, rompers, skirts, that kind of thing. Maternity, that can go with maternity stuff. On to pants. All right, leggings. Maternity, those can go with maternity.
So popping back into my closet, I've recently decluttered shoes, so there's not really any that like are standing out to me that I really want or need to get rid of because I've been wearing, I think, every single one of these. And then I have like some boots back there, but I recently decluttered those. I didn't pull out my jeans because there's none I want to get rid of. And shorts, I'm going to wait till next summer to go through. I have a few pair that just about fit me, but now we're into fall. And the rest I want to try on again a year from now, basically. Say hi to my little friends up there. Tennis shoes, I wear all of those. The only thing really, so look at this. Of course, I pushed everything closer together, but even more spread out the way I had it. I've really gotten rid of a nice chunk to make room for some other stuff. I got rid of some skirts and stuff, so I might rearrange a little bit. Before I had it tanks to long sleeve, basically in that order, and then like sweaters, but I might mix some of the sweaters in with this because then I can have all my tops together and then my dresses and skirts over there, and it kind of leaves some breathing room there because Tyler installed this thing from IKEA. Our whole closet system he built, and it's like one you build at IKEA, if you will. Pretty inexpensive compared to like having someone do it for you, or even inexpensive compared to the Container Store. But this thing pulls out and I can hang jewelry on it. And then it also, oh crap, I see I haven't used it very much, obviously. And then it also turns out, so I can turn out. That's what I meant. Anyway, which is really cool. I love that feature, but I haven't used it yet because I haven't organized my jewelry into it. So that's pretty neat. Jessica, are you doing it right? Currently, I have my jewelry. I used to have this organized. It is not organized anymore, but I have all my jewelry in here, but I'm excited I need to hang some of these up in there, etc. So that will be good. And then in this third drawer, I have like my sunglasses, some like cards I don't really use because they're now just like scanned on my phone, things like that. In these drawers, I have undergarments. I have like my scarves. I'm not ready to get rid of any of these yet. Again, 'tis the season to be wearing them, and my hats. So then down here, I have like some extra purses I still use and some hats and things like that. That's pretty much all I wanted to declutter. And here I have more undergarments and socks, and then like my fun, I call these my fun shirts. They're like my Disney shirts from over the years that I still wear. And then just other fun t-shirts, like I have a Britney Spears one and things like that. So those I'm probably not going to be getting rid of. Actually, the only thing I could take out of here is this, oh geez, now I'm gonna have to refold them. It says eating Dole Whips for two. It's a Disney shirt, but again, that would be a maternity shirt. So that can go over here.
So I know it's a big old pile of mess, but here we've got everything I'm getting rid of. I'm getting rid of like quite a few pairs of leggings and pants that were honestly tied on me before I even got pregnant. A few skirts, some dresses I haven't worn in a very long time. I'm keeping a lot of my sweaters. I'm kind of picky about sweaters, so the ones I have I really, really like. But I have two that are just like this, so I figure I really don't need both. Oh, now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want it back. But like I had 2 plaid shirts. I only need one. I don't need both because I don't wear them often enough. And the other one I have, I got from ThredUP. Actually, I think the last time I ordered, and I really like it better than I like this Old Navy one. And then just other shirts like this one I just got, but it shrunk in the wash because I'm an idiot and I'm really sad. But then other ones I just haven't reached for in a while. Ones that are just not quite my style anymore. I don't know. I feel really, really good about this. And then I have this pile of things over here that are maternity clothes. So I'm going to fold them nicely, go put them down in our basement. I have like a little box of my maternity clothes that I loved enough that I would want to keep again. And then I had that other pile of shirts that I'm going to go through and put like with my camisoles or with my pajama shirts. And then I think there were 1 or 2 that I want to use for workout clothing. And then I've got my ThredUP clothes over there I need to kind of organize into everything. So I would say all in all, I'm getting rid of a lot. That's a really, really good feeling. And I feel ready for fall. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this style of video, definitely subscribe. I declutter my closet, honestly, I think like 4 times a year with each season. And so I'll certainly be doing one in the winter as well, just because I think it's good. I can, pass these clothes on to someone that actually will be excited about them. Again, if you're interested in trying ThredUP out, I will put the link down below as well as the 30% off promo code, which again is JamBeauty30. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.